Hi friends, welcome back to Simplify India, your ultimate learning partner. In this video, we are going to learn about the powers, objectives and the functions of the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India is the India's central bank and the regulatory body under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. It is responsible for the issue and the supply of the Indian rupee and the regulation of the Indian banking system. The RBI is founded on 1st April 1935 and is owned by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, and it has been located in the retail capital city of India, that is Mumbai. Now, let us know some of the subsidiaries of Reserve Bank of India, that is National Institute of Bank Management, Indian Bank, NABARD, that is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development, Indira, Indira Gandhi Institute of Developmental Research, and NPCI, that is National Payments Corporation of India. As you know, RBI is the Central Bank of India. Let us learn what exactly is the central bank means. The central bank is an apex body that controls, operates, regulates and directs the entire banking and the monetary structure of the country. All financially developed countries have their own central bank, such as Federal Reserve System in America, Bank of England in England, Bank of France in France, and the Reserve Bank of India in India. Since the RBI was established on 1st April 1935, it was first established as a private shareholders bank and after independence it was nationalized by the Government of India in the year 1949. Hence, today the RBI plays the important role in the development strategy of India. The management and the supervision of RBI is being entrusted to a central board of directors with 20 members. In these 20 directors, one will be the governor of RBI, four deputy governors, one director of finance department, and 10 directors is been selected from the different fields and was nominated by the government, and the four representatives from the regional board, that is from Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi. The RBI have established its head office in Mumbai and it has the regional offices or branches in almost every part of the country, and it has its currency printing centers in four different parts of the country, that is Nasik in western India, Mysore in southern India, and Devas in central India and Salboni in eastern India. Let us know about the functions of RBI. The functions of RBI are being classified into three types, that is number 1 is traditional functions, number 2 developmental functions and the number 3 that is other functions. Let us know about this in detail. Number 1 that is traditional functions. The various traditional functions managed by the RBI includes monopoly of note issue, that is the RBI has a sole right to issue currency notes of any denominations in the country, and the RBI follows minimum reserve system while issuing the currency notes. The RBI acts as a banker, agent and the advisor to the government as it carries various tasks that includes to receive deposits and, and to advance loans to the government, to receive and make the payment and to manage the international monetary transactions of the government, and by providing suggestions to the government towards foreign exchange and the monetary policies. RBI can be said to be a banker's bank as it controls the activities of the commercial banks and it issues the license and regulates the banking system in India. RBI provides credit to the bank and also takes the deposits from the bank, and it maintains the cash reserve which helps the commercial banks at the time of their financial difficulties. RBI can also be said to be a lender of the last resort, that is, The RBI helps the commercial banks in their difficult times, like in the time of the financial crisis, by lending the funds in exchange with government securities. The RBI can also be said to be a clearinghouse, as RBI acts as a clearinghouse of the commercial banks for transfer and the settlement of debt and the other funds from one bank to another. RBI can also be said as a controller of credit to avoid any of the inappropriate use of credit. RBI uses various credit control measures such as bank rate, open market operations, etc. At last, RBI can also be said to be a custodian of foreign exchange reserve. RBI as the RBI preserves and protects the precious foreign exchange of the country. It has continuous contact with the international monetary institutions. The RBI has a separate exchange control department to supervise and control the foreign exchange reserves. Number 2, developmental functions. The RBI performs some of the developmental functions such as agricultural finance. That is, the RBI has a separate agricultural department for supplying finance to the agricultural sector. The RBI indirectly supplies the credit to the agriculture sector through NABARD and the state cooperative banks. In addition to this, the RBI also provides the industrial finance, that is, the RBI provides credit facilities to both small scale and the large scale industries through State Finance Corporation, IFCI, IDBI, and ICICI, etc. Number 3, other functions. The RBI performs the other functions like research function, where the RBI collects and publishes the information relating to the agriculture, industrial, and the financial sectors of the company, exports and imports, banking, trends in money and the capital markets, price trends, etc. On the basis of this information, the government can formulate and implement its economic and monetary policies. The RBI also performs a special functions where the RBI conducts special debates and seminars on various subjects. It also provides a training facilities to the bank staff, and it maintains a regular contact with the international financial institutions. So friends, if you like our video and finds it informative, then please do share it with your friends, family and colleagues, and please do let us know the topics in the comment section on which you want us to come up in our further videos. Thanks for watching Simplify India. Please do support us by subscribing our channel. Simplify India.